History is full of secrets, blank spaces on the map, waiting to be filled. We think we know the ancient world, Romans in togas, Egyptians building pyramids. But what if electricity existed thousands of years before Franklin's kite? This isn't science fiction, it's a real archaeological mystery, sparked by a simple clay pot found in Iraq. In 1938, as the world braced for war, a strange artifact surfaced near Baghdad. At first, it looked like ordinary pottery, but museum director Wilhelm Koenig saw a puzzle, an invention ahead of its time. This wasn't a grain jar, it whispered of forgotten science. The Parthian Empire 2,000 years ago, chariots, swords, sandals, electricity, unthinkable. Yet the Baghdad Battery challenges everything we thought we knew. Could ancient people have harnessed electricity long before we gave them credit? This artifact forces us to see the past as a time of innovation, not just simplicity. The Baghdad Battery is more than a curiosity. It's a gateway to lost possibilities. History isn't a closed book. There are still secrets to uncover. The thrill of the unknown is out there, waiting for someone to dig deeper. Let's dive into this mystery. So what is the Baghdad Battery? It's a small terracotta jar sealed with asphalt, nothing fancy on the outside. But inside, a rolled copper cylinder, carefully crafted, and an iron rod suspended in the center, never touching the copper. This separation is key, just like in a modern battery. The copper and iron, isolated by the asphalt, hint at a deliberate design. On their own, these materials are simple. Together, they form a technological puzzle. The whole setup looks remarkably like a galvanic cell, the ancestor of today's battery. Who built it, and why? The craftsmanship suggests knowledge far ahead of its time. Was this really a battery or something else? The investigation was just beginning. Let's see how it might have worked. Could this ancient device actually produce electricity? Modern researchers built replicas: clay jar, copper cylinder, iron rod. The missing piece? The liquid, likely vinegar or grape juice, both common and acidic. Pour in the acid, and a chemical reaction begins. Electrons flow from iron to copper, creating a small electrical current. The iron rod acts as the negative terminal, the copper as the positive. It's the same principle as today's batteries, just simpler. Replicas generate up to 1.5 volts, a gentle tingle but real electricity. Link several together and the voltage increases. No evidence they did this, but the potential was there. The Baghdad Battery proves the concept was within ancient reach. It's a stunning reminder. The ancients may have known more than we think. But what was it for? If the Baghdad Battery made electricity, what did they use it for? One theory, electroplating, using electricity to coat objects with precious metals. The Parthians loved fine jewelry, and a battery could have powered this process. Another idea, ritual or medicine. Imagine a priest using a device that gave a mysterious tingle, divine power, or healing magic. Some skeptics say it was just a scroll holder, with the copper and iron protecting sacred texts. But the design seems too complex for simple storage. The true purpose remains a mystery, lost to time, especially after the original artifacts vanished in 2003. All we have are records, photos, and replicas. The Baghdad Battery endures as a symbol of ancient ingenuity. It challenges us to rethink what's possible. What other secrets lie buried, waiting to be found? The adventure isn't over. History's pages are still turning. The next discovery could change everything.